What's cooking? Black raspberry cookie ice cream. Let's begin this recipe by heating up blackberry jam and fresh blackberries. Mash the blackberries until they're no longer lumpy. Put this mixture aside for later. If you'd like to make this recipe, don't forget to write down all the measurements and ingredients which are inside the video. Blend the cream cheese, condensed milk, and vanilla flavoring with your mixer. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. This bowl is full of heavy whipping cream. Blend it until it becomes thick and creamy. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. This is what we're looking for. Fold in the condensed milk with the heavy cream using your spatula. Once that's done, let's get these cookies cracking. Have you ever heard of the Lotus Biscoff cookie? This is my first time. Biscoff cookies are lotus biscuit flavored. They are warm and tasty biscuits with a hint of winter spice. What? I mean, they taste like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. They are so delicious. Crumble up half of the cookies and let's assemble this ice cream. Make sure to have your ice cream dish inside the freezer before you start the recipe. Spread out half of the ice cream mixture into the chilled dish. Add some of the blueberry mixture. Use a butter knife to create a swirl pattern. Sprinkle with cookies and then repeat to create a top layer. Place in the freezer. The longer you let sit in the freezer, the harder it will become. Let it sit in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, preferably overnight. If you like this type of content with a full recipe, then feel free to like the video. If you want to keep up with what's cooking, then feel free to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. I love the blackberries in this recipe and the cookies give a really good crunch. But if you're not looking for a sweet dessert, then perhaps you'll enjoy this light, fresh and airy video for bread pudding.